Hello guys, thank you for the support. I finally buy my own computer, personal computer. Thank you for the support guys. I can show you my computer. It's so amazing. Thank you. It cost me $1,500. Yeah. This is my computer setup. It is a Ryzen 7 570 5700 guys, and an AMD Radeon. This is the power button, restart, and the outlet. Yeah. And now learning how to program to earn money in next month. Yeah guys, yeah. I'm creating a login page. Here's my login page. Yeah guys, yeah. Yeah guys, support me guys, you know. And my RGB keyboard, just press this button and it will turn up, and when you turn up on, press this button again. Yeah. And my RGB mouse, and my dual speaker, and my eyeglasses, because I'm literally little bit blind. Okay. Oh guys, yes. Thank you for the support guys. I appreciate that. Support me well so I can be big content creator one day. That's it for today guys. I will continue my work, my content to you to watch me. Just support me and I will make happy you. I'm gonna make you happy from my content. Okay guys, bye bye. That's it. That's it. Bye bye.